students, welcome back to this session, and we were doing the commutative property. We have done what? Under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication and division. So right now we are going to do the associative property. And the associative property is again under your addition. Now here under your addition I have written A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B within the bracket plus C. So that is equal to 4 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 7 is that is for this one is for this. Okay, and the second one A plus B plus C is for this. Okay, so A plus B is how much? Minus 4 plus of minus 2 and plus C will be plus of minus 7. So here we have already taken minus 4 we have written. Okay, now plus sign. Now here it will be what? Plus into minus, minus. So minus 2 minus 7 will give you minus 9 is equal to minus 4 plus of minus will give you minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 will give you minus 6 plus of minus 7. So that is equal to what? Minus 13 is equal to minus 13. How? Plus into minus, minus 9. So minus 4 minus 9 will give you minus 13. Here plus 6 plus into minus, minus 7. So minus 6 minus 7 will give you minus 13. Next will be, this was under your addition. This is under your subtraction, where it specifies the rule is A minus or B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. So here I am taking A as 6 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 6 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Now how you got this? 6 we have taken minus sign, 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So 6 minus 3 will give you 3. Now 6 minus 5 will give you 1 and minus 2. So 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. So therefore the sum which I have given to you 6 minus 5 minus 2 is not equal to 6 minus 5 minus 2, because in one you are getting 3 and another you are getting minus 1. So under the subtraction again is not associative. Okay, next we are going to see is nothing else but your multiplication. In your associative property only, we are going to see what? Under multiplication. Now, under your multiplication, what it will be is what? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, so 3 into 5 into minus 7 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 into minus 35 is equal to 15 into 7, which will give you minus 105. And here also minus 105. So here you can see we have taken 3 rational numbers A, B and C. Okay, this is under multiplication. So A into B into C is equal to A into B within the bracket into C. So we have to see whether both are equal or not. So I have taken the digits and given an example to you. 3 into 5 into minus 7 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 into plus into minus minus 7 5s are 35 is equal to 3 into 5 15 into 7. So minus 35. So plus into minus minus 35 into 3 105 is equal to 15 into 7 will give you 105. So you can see here both are having same sign. Are also same. So A into B minus B into C is equal to A into B with the bracket into C. This will be under your multiplication. Under multiplication for your associative property. Now next is nothing else but your distributive property. Now here I have finished with your associative property. The next under your properties of integers will be your distributive property. Okay, now under your distributive property, again you are having under addition, you are having m into n plus p is equal to mn plus mp. I am taking an example as minus 2 into 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 5 plus minus 2 into 3. So it will be what? Minus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to minus 10 plus of minus 6, which will be what? Minus 16 is equal to, now minus 10 plus into minus 6 will give you minus 16. So this will be what? Under addition, that is, I have taken here 3. Okay, 3 rational numbers m, n and p. Last time I had taken a, b and c. Okay, now here in your addition, over here for your distributive property, you have got your 3 rational numbers m, n and p. So here m into n plus p is equal to mn plus p. So I have taken an example of minus 2 into 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 5. Why into 5? Because m into n plus minus 2 into 3. So minus 2 into 5 plus 3 is 8 is equal to minus 10 plus of minus into plus minus 6. So here minus 16 is equal to minus 10 plus into minus minus 6. So minus 10 minus 6 will give you minus 16. So this is nothing else about, so this was under your subtraction. Next, under your distributive property, under addition. Next will be under your subtraction. Now under your subtraction, for your distributive property, you have n minus p is equal to n into n minus n into p. Now suppose I am taking minus 5 into minus b is equal to minus 5 into 7 minus 5 into p. So here it will be what? Minus 5, 4 is equal to minus 35 minus 15, which will give you minus 20 is equal to minus 20. Okay, this will be under your subtraction. I have taken m into n minus p. Subtraction is equal to m into n minus n into p. So minus 5 into 7 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 into 7 minus 5 into 3. So minus 5 remains same, 7 minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 7 into 7, minus 5 into 7 will give you minus 35, minus 5 threes are 15. So minus 5 threes are 20 is equal to minus sign will remain same, and 35 minus 15 will give you 20. So minus 20 is equal to minus 20. So this will be under your subtraction. Now we have done all the properties of the integers under what? Closure property, commutative property. Then the third one was what? Your closure property, commutative property, and then your distributive property and your associative property. So under each we have done what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we will come to the board problems. Now here I am taking a sum as Rahul takes a loan which is amount to rupees 2 lakh. Okay, from 4 different banks. Is the loan amount in each bank? Okay, this is the question what I have given here. So what will be your solution? Your total loan amount is how much? Rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Now, loan amount in each bank will be what? Rupees 2 lakh divided by 4, which will be rupees 50,000. See, I have given a sum. Okay, that Rahul takes a loan amount of rupees 2 lakhs from 4 different banks. Okay, if he takes the same amount from all the banks, what is the loan amount in the bank? Now, the loan amount how much he has taken is rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, the loan amount in each bank, how you will find out? That will be rupees 2 lakh divided by 4 will give you rupees 50,000. So, the loan amount that he has taken in each bank is how much? 50,000. So, this will be your answer. Okay, for the first word problem. The second one, we will take the sum of two integers is how much? Minus 196. If one of the integer is 125, you have to find the other. Okay, so now here your solution will be what? Your one integer you have been already given is equal to minus how much? 125. Your sum you have given you is how much? Minus 196. So your other integer is equal to minus 196, and you have got minus 125 will give you minus 321. So the sum of the two integers they have given you minus 196. One integer is 125. You have to find the other. One integer is minus 125. The second integer is minus 196. So the other integer will be minus 196 minus 125 will give you minus 1. So the other integer will be what? Minus 321. Okay. Now, third word problem. A place is 100 meters above the sea level and other is 10 meters below the sea level. Okay. What is the difference of level between two places? Okay, so now your solution will be what? Your location of place above the sea level will be what? Plus 100 meters. Remember, above plus, below minus. So here location of place above sea level is how much? 100 meters. Below the sea level, location of other place below sea level is equal to minus 10 meter. Okay, so now here you have been given here. So here you have to find the difference will be of two places. Will be what? 100 minus of minus 10, which will be 100 plus 10 will give you 110 meters. Okay, so now here the place is what? 100 meters, which is above the sea level, and the other is 10 meter below the sea level. You have to find the difference between the two level of the two places. Okay, I have told you which is above the sea level plus, below the sea level minus. So location of the place above the sea level plus 100 meter, location of the other place below the sea level minus 10 meter. So now you have to find out the difference between the two places. That will be 100 minus of minus 10. Okay, so 100 minus into minus will give you plus. So 100 plus 10 will give you 110 meters. So these are the word problems which we have done today. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to start with a new lesson which is called as your rational numbers. Now, under the rational numbers, we are taking any number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. Now, any number which is expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q, they are your nothing else but your integers, and Q is not equal to 0, it is called as nothing else but your rational number. P and Q, they are your integers, and Q is not equal to 0. So that is called as nothing else but your rational numbers. For example, I can take minus 1 upon 2, 2, 0, minus 7 and 5 upon 9. Now under the properties of rational number, first is what? You are having your natural numbers, then you have got your odd numbers, then you have got your whole numbers, then you have got your integers, now, under natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth, you have got your fraction which you can say as 4 upon 13, 5 upon 28 and 1 upon 24. You know the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and your integers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then you have got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these, they are your properties of your rational number. So under your properties of rational number, you have got your natural numbers, fraction, you have got the whole numbers and your integers. So these all are also your rational numbers. Okay, next is between your positive and negative integers. Your positive and negative rational numbers. Okay? Rational numbers. Now, under this positive and negative rational numbers, both your numerator and denominator, they can be positive or they can be negative also. So here minus 3 upon Q is equal to P upon Q. Okay? Your example, I can take minus 5 upon minus 6 is equal to 5 upon 6. Then I can take minus 5 upon minus minus 71 is equal to 53 upon 71. So here what all your minus 5 upon minus 6, 5 upon 6, minus 53 upon minus 71 and 53 upon 71, they are nothing else but your positive integers. Okay, so now here I have taken minus p upon minus q is equal to p upon q. So minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 6, minus 53 upon minus 71 will give you 53 upon 71. So all these, which all you are getting your negative or positive, both are nothing else but your positive integers. Okay, the next one is your, this will be what? Your all are your positive integers. Next will be your negative integers. When you are telling it is your negative rational number, now again they are also negative and positive. You have got your minus p upon q is equal, or you can say p upon minus q is equal to minus p upon q. Now minus 6 upon 7 is equal to 6 upon minus 7 and minus 14 upon minus 27 is equal to minus 14 upon 27. So these all are nothing else but your negative rational numbers. Okay, the earlier one was all your positive rational numbers. These all are your negative rational numbers. I have taken the number minus p upon q, or p upon minus q is equal to minus p upon q. So here minus 6 upon 7 is equal to 6 upon minus 7 and minus 4 plus 14 upon minus 27 is equal to minus 14 upon 27. So these all are your negative rational numbers. Now the next one, what we are going to see is your rational numbers in standard form. Now, here when we are going to, suppose we are going to express 16 upon 56 in standard form. So here, what is your given number? Is equal to 16 upon 56. So you are going to take the HCF of 16 and 56, which is nothing else but your 8. You are taking 16 and 56. So this you can do it, which will give you 8. So 16 upon 56 is equal to 16 upon 56. Your HCF is nothing else but 8. Okay, 8 2s are 16, 8 7s are 56. So here your 16 upon 56 equal to 2 upon 7, which is in the standard form. Okay, so this is the way we are going to do for this particular sum. Now rational numbers in the standard form, I have given a sum express 16 upon 56 in the standard form. Your given number is what? 16 upon 56. Your given number. So you have to find out the HCF of the numerator and denominator. The numerator is 16, denominator is 56. So here 16 and 56, the HCF will be 8. So 16 upon 56 is equal to 16 divided by 8, which is your HCF we have got, it is 8. So 16 divided by 8 upon 56 divided by 8 is equal to 16 divided by 8 will give you 2 upon 56 divided by 8 will give you 7. So here 16 upon 56 is equal to 2 upon 7, which is in the standard form. So students, I'll stop over here and I'll continue with the next session. Thank you so much.